Hi everybody, at the last moment I was going to make chili for dinner. I think I might have shown you one before, but this is everything that I had put back in the pantry or the freezer that I'll be making this meal from. And also, you can make it under 30 minutes. You can make it real quick. All you need is 1 pound of Hamburg. I'm using grass-fed Hamburg, nice Hamburg. I'm using a can of kidney beans, 15 ounces. I'm using 1 can of crushed tomatoes with basil, and it's 28 ounces. And I'm using a chili season mix. Now what I want to share with you, whoa, pay attention here. I so can't wait to get a new prescription on my glasses. I had told you before, when we put things back in the pantry, we write the date on them, like this. And that was bought October 19th. But this can is good for until February 20th, 2022. And that is the crushed tomatoes. And for some reason, this one got missed, and it doesn't usually, but it's good till March 31st, 2021. And the season mix is good until 10/30/23. So everything was put back in the pantry. What I'm doing is I haven't put it totally together yet, and I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna bring you down. This here, my little slow cooker, is my best friend. I need a new cover, but hey, that's okay. I've dropped it a couple of times and it still works. But in the slow cooker, I cooked my Hamburg. Now, if you cook it on the stove, it's gonna cook up real fast. But me, I never know when Ray's gonna come home. Things are getting harder for me. He's working longer and later hours. So this is my Hamburg, grass-fed. Nice, look how nice that is. And I like to use this chopper. I got it at the Dollar General. You can buy them there for $2. Maggie, Mom will be right there. Maggie's outdoors. It's sleeting here today, and she absolutely loves playing out in it. So there you have it right there. Hamburger meat, done. That is the slow way. But if you put it and fry this up on the stove, and then you put 1 can of kidney beans, I'm using red, you can use dark, you can use light, you can use whatever. This one says imported from Italy, whether it is, I don't know. Sometimes I don't always believe the labels. And right here is the crushed tomatoes. Again, if you was to put this all on the stove, it would take, once the Hamburg's cooked, it says do for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes, you can have dinner on the table if you do it the stove method. Me, I have it in here because I don't know what time Mr. R is getting home. It's really hard for me lately, and I'm just really blessed that I have a kitchen stove that has a warming oven, because I sure do use it a lot. Sometimes we end up eating early, sometimes it's very late. And then you don't want to forget the season mix. And in the season mix, it says 1 package of chili. I got this at the Dollar General. I don't remember how much I paid for it. And 1 pound of beef, which is in there. Diced tomatoes, which is in there, and 1 can of kidney beans or pinto beans. So we're going to put this in here, and it says bring to a boil, cover, reduce heat, and simmer for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. And then it says serve with a topping. See how quick it is? It's saying 10 minutes doing it that way. Quick meal. Quick and yummy. And we're just going to stir this in like this. Now, how many of you make it like this? Now me, I have real chili. I think I can go in and put my hands on it. Just one moment. Well, folks, I couldn't, but I found my flour or corn tortilla basket. This came from Mexico. It was handmade, beautiful, and I keep my chili in there. So when I go to Chile or have somebody coming from Chile, I have them bring over chili. The chili I recently have doesn't come from the country of Mexico. It comes from Hatch, New Mexico. And it's really yummy chili. It's a chili powder. And, or you can buy the long chilies and dry it and use. But here you go, right here. This is the quick, easy, instant way of making chili. And I will serve them with flour tortillas. So that's what it's gonna look like. And when it's all done, I will show you. So now I'm just gonna keep this till it bubbles, and then I'm gonna turn it down on low. And then we can eat whenever Mr. R gets home. Hey folks, look who's here, Mr. R. Oh my gosh, look how red your face is. Tell everybody, what have you been doing?
Blowing about that much. I don't know about snow, but it's pretty hard packed. Ice crystals or something?
Yes.
It's not soft.
We've had sleet all day. And what are you gonna try? You just came in and I grabbed you again.
Chili.
Chili. Homemade. Can you show them the container right here?
Oh.
Oh, that's not hot. Yeah, just show them. Okay, guys, this is what it's gonna look like when it's all cooked.
Sorry, I gotta go that way.
No, that's fine. That's good right there. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna ask you to try it. This is my go-to chili, as you know, Ray. I make when I'm busy.
Look at
You
these.
can make. Look at those flour tortillas. Whoops, that's right in the way. That's okay.
Yep. Now, this is not very hot because I cannot have hot food. It really bothers me. So other people, you know, it's just a mild, good chili. Okay? She really puts a lot of hamburger in it because I'm a big meat eater.
Yeah, I told him I put 1 pound in.
So.
Okay, so you're going in with that and flour tortilla.
Yep. Whoops.
Oh.
There we go. There we go. I know this is going to be good. Yep. Very good.
Flour
As
tortilla.
always. Yep. As always.
As always. I keep telling them I got to show them how I make my flour tortillas.
Yep.
There they are right there.
Yep. Very good.
Okay, Ray. I know you've worked hard all day. Can you tell me the conditions coming home tonight?
They wasn't too bad, but our town, they don't believe, well, I guess we don't have the money to put a lot of salt on. So it wasn't too good, but
The roads
oh well.
weren't too good.
You know, I made it.
He made it. How about the driveway?
No, we got an uphill driveway, and most of the time I can do it because the snow is soft, so you sink in and the snow will move away from your tires. But this type of snow, it doesn't move. You get on top of it and that's it.
Right.
You like plow it.
So we have a 500-foot long driveway, and you ended up working all day and coming home snowblowing.
Yeah, and I'm all done. It takes about an hour and a half to do it all.
With a nice snowblower. Okay, Ray. So
I know what she's going to ask me. I really like this because she puts a lot of meat in it. Because like I said, I'm a big meat eater. I'd give it a 10. Oh yeah.
you give him a 10.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, and there's no dessert. Do I still get a 10?
You still do.
Okay. Thank you, guys. If you haven't subbed to my channel, please do so. And I'm glad Mr. R showed up at the right time again. So, have a great day. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Be good now. Bye.